The apex has been done already. We always do apex on flat nails. You can find a video link of apex in the description below. Do 2 layers of snow white. Pour some clear top powder in a dipping tray, and put some color powder in it. Use a needle to do swirls in the tray. This is how you get the marble look. Do a base layer on the snow white, and roll the nail into the pattern you created. Do a layer of clear top powder to protect the marble effect. Do the shaping and buffing. Use the activator generously and wait 1 minute. Thankfully, a unique formula, you have to use the activator once only now, with our system. Do the first layer of top coat in a thin layer. It seals the product. Wait 1 minute. Do the second layer of top coat in a thicker layer, and wait 1 minute. The second layer gives you the glossy long-lasting finish. Use cuticle oil to moisturize the skin.